Hey, my name is Scott Kate. I'm in the Microsoft office at Tempe, Arizona, and we are running a Windows Phone 7 Unleashed event. And I'm here with Jonathan Isabel, who's driven north from Tucson and has a pretty good story. So you were at this event we did last year.
That's right.
And that was, this year is a games event. Last year was the Line of Business app.
Yes, yeah.
And tell us about what happened.
Well, I actually was working on a game at the time, and I thought, well, I'll go to this apps event and just pick up what I can, but really just get back to my game when I get back home.
And so the game on Windows Phone is different because it's frame-based, and the Line of Business app is more data-based. But did you find it was still helpful? Like, is there overlap there?
Yeah, there is. I mean, obviously, the things that we talk about the hardware, the limitations and the advertising, there are a lot of great things that I picked up there that I thought I could use in my game.
Nice. So the reason that I wanted to do this video is a couple of things. This is a pretty popular app that you have that's in the App Store now, right? It's called, in fact, it's on your shirt, Jack of Tools Pro, right?
Yeah, and I did 2 apps based on the commitment after that. I said, yeah, I'll do 2 apps at the event we went to, or I went to, and the first one was.
Don't be shy. How many downloads is it? I mean, we're bragging now.
Okay. Well, the first one was kind of a dud, but it was a to-do app, and my second one, the Jack of Tools, is now up to about 140,000 downloads.
Wow. Can you show us what it is?
Yeah, sure. Now this is the phone that's off. Now this is the Pro version. The original one was just a free version, but it's a collection of tools that take advantage of all the great sensors and functions of the Windows Phone.
So you got compass, you got...
so there's like a level.
Wow.
And we've got the compass, the flashlight. I don't know if I can kind of tilt it so we get the vertical compass here. Sorry about that. And we got... we can add locations with this base tool, and it tells you how far you are. So I'm about 150 miles from home here, and you can navigate to it by. Sorry about this, but I'm going to rotate it. You can see the hand pointing the direction I would have to go from here to get there.
That's a play on how to find your old friends who are hiding in the woods.
Yeah, or you're maybe. Find the great little spot to have a picnic and you want to get back there.
Perfect.
So we have an altimeter. It doesn't work so great indoors. Again, I'll have to throw the phone, I guess, to get some speed here in the speedometer. And the geographic camera allows you to take pictures and record where that is. It does reverse geocoding, so you can have the address and location.
Nice.
So, and just a bunch of tools like that.
So let's go back to last year. We did the event. It was at Gangplank and Chandler, and you came to that event, and you had mentioned something about that was like the launching point of your apps career, if you will. How did that decision go?
Yeah, well, it's interesting because I really thought I was going to get back to the game, and that was all I was interested in. But once I started doing the apps and had some success there and got a lot of great feedback from customers, and it was so exciting, and I was making a little money on advertising.
And you worked with some Microsoft people for the training on that too. Daniel Egan in SoCal had some content for that, right?
Right. Yeah. And we got great information, bitmaps, and things we could actually use resource-wise.
So is this your only app?
No, I have about 10 now actually. So.
And they're all ad-based?
Yeah. Well, like I said, you can buy this one, but they all have ad-based trials where they are free.
Nice. And what are the other apps? Just real quick, they're all tool-based like that, or there's some different utilities?
Yeah, I have another tool-based app that's like a dashboard where you can lay out whatever sensor outputs you want, like speedometers and things like that.
Oh, nice.
And then I have a cloud-based app that called Versus, where you can vote on particular choices.
A versus B.
Exactly.
Nice.
And see how other people in the world have voted.
So this was an interesting story for me because most of you guys who know me personally know I'm a big community guy, particularly here in Arizona. We do a lot of phone stuff and Azure stuff and .NET stuff, and for the last 10 years I've been running a user group. And I call it a success story like this, because this is something that we did a year ago that, unbeknownst to all of us in community, has gone on to this big success. I mean, 140,000 downloads is nothing to sneeze at, and I mean, it's not the #1 app on the planet, but I kind of feel like I had just this 1% of kick in the butt to actually make that happen. So anyway, I thought it was cool. Thanks for your time. And yeah, just check out the app. It's Jack of all tools, and it came from Arizona.